Today, we walk you through the process of adding music to your Facebook profile. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribe and liking the video. Let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to access your Facebook settings. On a mobile device, locate the menu button, which may be at the bottom right or top right, typically represented by three bars. Once in the menu, either tap on the gear or C icon at the top right or scroll down to expand Settings and Previous, and then click on Settings. Scroll down until you found Audience and Visibility, then click on Profile Details. Scroll further until you see Music. There it is. Tap on Add Music and then hit the plus button at the top right. You can search for specific songs or browse through options. Preview a song by tapping the play, pause button on the right. Once you found the one you like, simply click on it to add it. You can add one or more songs depending on your preference. When you're satisfied with your selections, tap on the cross in the top left to confirm. To make the songs appear on your profile, you'll need to pin it. To do this, tap on the three dots to the right of the songs, then select pin. You'll see a confirmation message saying the song has been pinned. To view your profile and see the pinned songs, tap on the menu button at the bottom or top right, then click on See Your Profile. You may need to refresh the page and there it is, the sound you edited.